Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Daily Porcupine, the ultimate Kotoko fan channel. If you're new here, you know what to do. Subscribe and hit that notification bell. My name is Clinton Leto and I'm your host for today. Today we're talking about transfers, and we're talking about Felix Annan, because right now Medeama they have intensified their quest to get a good goalkeeper ahead of the African campaign after sacking the goalkeeper that made that blunder against Folk in the FA Cup, Frank Boateng. So now they are in for Felix Annan. It's no longer a rumor. This is an official, a formal bid for Felix Annan. They know that Kotoko, will get revenge for Justice Blay. I don't know if you guys remember when Medeama frustrated Kotoko when they wanted Justice Blay. They frustrated Kotoko to the point that Kotoko gave up. Nana Yamposa gave up and said, "No, take him. We don't have that kind of money you are requesting. No one will pay this amount you are requesting. You can't extort us, take us." So they know that Kotoko will try to do the same thing when it comes to Felix Annan, and that is why they have decided to offer Richard Boadu, the midfielder, the one that scored against us in Mariano Barreto's first defeat of the season. Richard Boadu, they are offering him in exchange for Felix Annan. Now we know that Felix Annan is more valuable than Richard Boadu because Felix Annan has Black Stars experience. He has experience playing in Africa, and I think he's more valuable than Richard Boadu. So I think that Kotoko, if at all they want to offer that deal, Kotoko will definitely request more money on top of Richard Boadu. That's if Kotoko are willing to take Richard Boadu. Me personally, I don't think there's anything special about Richard Boadu, and I don't think it will make sense to collect Richard Boadu and give them Felix Annan with no money. So if at all we want to collect Richard Boadu, we should request another hefty fee on top, because they actually frustrated us with Justice Blay. So personally, I think that Kotoko need to get offload one of the goalkeepers. We have 3 good goalkeepers, and ahead of next season we should offload one and use the money to invest elsewhere. So since we are getting Richard Boadu, I think we need some money on top that particular deal, because I think Felix Annan is very, very valuable. I'd like to know your thoughts. Do you think it's a good deal? Me personally, if they are adding hefty money on top of the transfer, no problem, I'll take it. But if it's just straight swap, I'm not interested, because that is not a good deal, because Felix Annan is more valuable than Richard Boadu. I'm saying it over and over again. So that is what I think, because Medeama are very difficult. Medeama, Berkum, Chelsea, Folk, those are the 3 teams I don't like in the Ghana Premier League. They are just frustrating. Medeama did us nasty with Justice Blay. I will never forget that. So Kotoko fans should never forget that. And I'm sure that if Justice Blay was fit, if he wasn't injured, Kotoko would have requested for Justice Blay instead. But he's injured, and Kotoko can't, get an injured player or sign an injured player, because he's obviously going to fail medical. So I think it's going to be a great deal if they give us Richard Boadu and also pay, because straight swap won't work. I would like to know your thoughts. Put that in the comment section and tell me what you think. I think that's all for today. If you haven't subscribed, do it right now and hit the notification bell. Till next time, guys, goodbye.